Alright, everybody. I just got
He keeps hitting me. It's banjo.
Creator Pack,
I'm right here.
and I really don't know what to do with it. So, I'm gonna be making a video with it today, because I'm bored.
Where are you?
So,
Where are you? This bush.
this is gonna be like,
See the banjo?
I don't know.
Is it
I
chest?
don't know what to do.
I need another more.
I'm just bored.
I know. I need
Oh.
400 right here. It's a cat. It's a cosmetic.
This is just me
What are my
playing
hairs?
with
So
the
why is
game.
there a cat? I can't match my drip.
Come on this way.
Oh shoot, I have to go take a dookie booty. Oh my god. Bro, can I sniff
All
this
right.
flower right here? Can I lick your juice?
It's a buckwheat stash.
So, yeah.
How do you know?
Look,
I'm
it's
just
on
really
one of the
bored
sides.
right now.
I found it. Any more?
So, there is more.
How much is there in this map?
It's like there's only 4 in every map.
So I'm gonna be making a video today about
Down here.
whatever. Look, also, I didn't notice this. The game pretty much rotates
Bro, I
you
can't get
for
up.
being lazy. Look,
Bro, stop. Can
stand
I
up.
friend
Just
you
kidding.
to
Go
make
down.
sure I can get every
You
single
get fatter.
Pokemon stash?
Oh,
I don't know every single one in the game.
But do you know any other maps? I
I don't think there's gonna be any sound effects in this video because I'm lazy right now. I don't really want to make sound effects.
Okay, hold on. Do you understand? Yeah. I actually.
But I will be doing
Can I friend you?
thing tomorrow.
Yeah.
Since tomorrow's a new update, I'm gonna be making a video on it. So,
Other than that, you
Whee!
can do the daily challenges every day, but
all right, I'm getting
How
it.
much I got?
I need some fitting panning.
yeah, I don't know where the
Hold on.
There is no confetti, I don't think.
yeah, there is.
Ow!
Well, not in.
What's
this
that for?
map, Sean.
Wait, bro.
'Cause this
Oh, you wanna
is,
go?
winter
You wanna go?
ones, and then the grassy maps have like.
Does anybody want to race me?
Wanna go? Oh, you really just
You can go
fell.
to like playground or like blue.
You wanna go?
Just, like,
Guys,
You wanna go?
look.
you can get
You wanna go?
Sparklers!
I mean, I could
My
spend
nice
$10
long
to get
time.
to the
Oh,
end of this.
It's a fight!
To get
Yeah,
to
it's
end
a
of this
fight.
Hey, I'm still here.
Who will win? Who will win?
Get out.
Come on,
Get
you
out
can
of here.
do this! You could do this!
It can be worth it if you feel like you're gonna play this game for a long time.
Yeah, but I don't know if this is just like a phase, you know? I get obsessed with the game and then instantly leave it after spending like $20 on it.
Damn, bro, fine.
So I never know.
Get out. What the hell just happened? All right,
Throw it on you.
yeah, that was like
Bro, just what are we about to ball?
I'm doing the lazy thing right now. But yeah,
For most of my life now,
I'm gonna
and
do
I'm
this.
going to public school in a couple
Look how fast I am. Go good at this. I am.
I fell. And now I'm on about 7th grade. I'm in middle school now. So
No!
Turret! I'm a turret.
I don't like you.
Hey, he took my turret. He ate my turret.
There you go.
Shoot. He ate my turret. Bro, chill.
I want to eat a bomb.
8 seconds. Oh, come on.
40 seconds.
I'm gonna eat this breakfast. You're 8 grams.
But what did you get?
Wait a minute.
Nothing. I missed 2 checkpoints. It's okay.
That was him. That was him, bro.
Ah.
No,
Tell him that I actually got 46 seconds.
saw you, bro.
I saw you.
You don't have
I
proof.
saw you. Yeah, I do. I
Okay,
was
let's do it
recording
together.
the entire time.
No grapplers. Bro, you were not recording.
You're all the way over there.
It's a
I
snowball
am.
Gatling gun.
Okay, let's No, grapple.
Stand right there.
I'm Spooderman, everybody.
Step up.
Hey, hey, you guys with the helmet, look at me. Look at me, everybody.
First
Hey,
person.
look over here.
Not first
You know what,
person,
guys,
just
I'm coming to you.
whatever.
Come here, watch.
I don't care what you do.
What? They fixed it.
Boing. Wait, did I?
Hey, you.
I didn't miss a checkpoint.
Pink with the helmet. Look at the umbrella. Hey, Pink.
Oh, took off the stupid camera.
Hey, you. Look at me real quickly. Look at me. Look at me. Look at me. No.
Snowball cannon.
Get back.
Snowball cannon.
Come here.
Snowball cannon.
I'm gonna yell at you.
Snowball cannon.
Come here.
Snowball cannon.
Okay, you have to go.
Snowball cannon. Gatling gun.
Haven.
Stop hitting me.
Haven.
Tom. I have to make something, guys.
Hey, you. Wait, you. Stop. Stay right there. I'm gonna do something. Stay right there. Stay right there. Stay right there. I'm gonna do something, okay? Hey, you. Haley, look
Gatling
here.
gun.
No.
Got a Gatling gun.
No.
Gatling gun. Stop!
No.
Stop! I'm reporting you.
Hey, look here.
Oh crap. Oh my face.
Hey, how did you get that? How did you get that camera? Did you buy it?
Yeah, pretty much.
Hey, you. Look here. Look
He
here,
has a
chicken
camera
nugget.
too.
Look.
That's his
Feeling.
How the frick are you doing? My Gatling gun is just crazy.
Hold on. I gotta do it back.
A Gatling gun is just crazy.
This video isn't gonna have any sound effects
A Gatling
at
gun.
all because I'm bored and I'm lazy.
Guys, I'm gonna be a turret. I'm gonna be a turret. Bro,
I'm a
stop.
turret.
I did a backflip. I tried to do a double backflip. and failed.
Shoot
I
him.
landed on my-
Shoot him.
Whee! Alright, hold on. I can do this. Whee!
Fine.
Oh, I did it!
Gotcha.
No.
What you doing?
Come on.
No, I cannot die. I have no gun. I have no.
Ow. You guys want to go flying? Flying away! Hold on.
Oh god. Yo, does anybody on the sled?
Alright, here you go.
No, that's no.
Let's look on something. Shoot. No, let go the what? This
Here's me.
game sucks. I don't even have enough to get a firework.
Wimp.
Ouch. Boy. Bro, you suck at staying on
You're
this.
pretty powerful, dude. I like it.
Oh!
Team up.
You lost one of your stupid grapplers.
Oh, dang. Oh, dang.
I'll protect you when you shoot.
You lost one of your stupid grapplers.
Turret, bro. Turret. Hey. Oh no.
Oof.
Finish.
Those on the inside. I'll protect you.
Let's go.
Irene. Spider-Man. Alright, everybody.
Oh,
Let's go.
turrets.
Idiot. My camera's gonna cut off.
Time to make my turret. I'll make my turret.
Hey, I bet you can't turret me. Idiot.
Gotcha.
Alright, time to
You'll
eat 'em.
never turret
Oh,
me.
frick.
Sitting on my barrels.
Let's back up.
Oh, you just
Alright, hold on, hold on.
Wait,
Let's go to the house.
This guy just gave me his umbrella.
camera? Can I join your world? Can I join your world? Can I join?
Yeah.
Yo,
Yes.
Okay, let me see.
forehead game.
I'm making a video right now, so you can be in the video.
Can I offer you a simple deal? Offer you a simple thing.
No,
What?
mine wasn't in there.
Your skin for nothing.
Huh?
Can I have your skin?
I do.
My
I
skin?
wanna be in a video.
I want your skin.
Okay, it's gonna be last.
Give.
No, thank you.
I'm super boy.
Come
All
here.
right, well, bro.
She said
Come join my world.
Bad.
What's my name?
Go first.
Let's go.
Go first.
Give
Okay,
me
okay.
your.
Guys, don't worry about.
Yay, you made it in. All right, let's go to
Is it
room
only
2.
this? Oh,
No, I have a full world. We need a
love it.
grief. We need to grief everything in this map, okay?
why?
Because this map, I need to redo this map. I have a
No,
different
wait.
idea.
I
so-
have something. I have something I could get.
No, it's fine. Just what? Okay.
I have something to get, and then I can go get it in my base. Then I can delete everything. I can delete everything here.
Do it. Do it.
Okay. Wait, can you come with me? Can you come with me?
Yes. Yes. Yes, I'll come with you.
Okay. Oh, I kind of got teleport. I'm stuck.
Yeah, it's kind
Yeah,
of
okay.
hard
Yo,
to
I'm
escape.
stuck. Okay.
Ugh.
Shit. Made it.
All right.
Made it.
Yeah, you're back. You're back. All right, come on. Let's go.
Where's me? Go back.
Wait.
Over here. Over here.
Alright. Coming. I'll press on your. Oh no, what to say?
Wait, no, you go in first, so I can get kicked and then. Okay, come on.
Galaxy.
Good job, John.
Go.
Oh, come on, bro.
Go. Why you play for? Gotta go. We gotta go.
No.
Go.
Hey,
Go.
stop. No. Bro, I'm about to run
Anyway,
room, bro.
I don't know.
What's your mind?
Hello. Alright. Here, let's go up here. Cause it's fun. Yeah, you're back.
Yeah, I have it inside my hand. I have it in
Alright.
my hand.
Alright,
So
I'm
we
here.
have to go
Let's
to
go.
that
Let's
road.
go.
We
Okay,
have
let's
to
go.
to the road. Yeah,
My
I have
camera's
it in
gonna
my hand.
disappear for a second, guys. So, prepare. Yes, delete every single thing in this map.
Well, I think so. You have to do it.
Yes. Yay!
No,
It's
my
gone.
thing. My thing.
What happened?
It got away. It went away. Hey, you need
But
some of these?
No, I already have those.
Okay. I have paint. I only have 2 paints. I only have these paints.
I have. Hold on, I'll show you all the paints that I have.
I can't put. Ooh, I want to keep this one. I want to keep the light one.
I have all
That
of
one.
these.
Damn.
I'm gonna make like a
Well,
green screen place with that one. So hold on.
Let me just take all.
So-
of them. So you need big walls?
No, I'm making a frisbee room where you just throw
Wait,
it
can I
on
have
the
a camera?
frisbee.
Can I have a camera? Can I have a camera? So I could do some things. Like a tiny camera. You have a tiny one?
Do you have the
Anyone?
mobile app?
No.
Then you can't activate it.
Wait, how do I get it? Can you teach me?
You have to go onto your phone and then
Uh-huh.
and then search up Yeep's companion app on the App Store. It's
Wait,
on
do I go
Android
to
and
Google? Do I go to Google?
No, you go to the App Store. You go to this
App Store?
place. where you get all your games and stuff, and then you search up Yeet's companion app, and then you go to a public world, and then go to the phone, and then do show code, and then on your phone, you type in that code and type in your Oculus username, and then you have to have 500 coins to get it, but you should have
500 coins.
Yeah.
I need to go.
And then
do you have the thing so I can check? You have the thing so I can check?
No, I don't have the thing, sadly.
Shit, I have to go to my world. You stay here. I'll go to my world.
Mining away. I don't know.
Wait, you stay here, okay? You stay here, okay?
All right, I'll stay right here.
I'll be right back.
Okay. Want some hot cocoa? No, I grabbed you. Yay. That's yummy. I wonder if I can paint you guys. No, I can't paint you guys. Yeah, I'm gonna start building the frisbee room. And you don't know, I don't know. Bro. Sure. Why not?
Back. So I have coins. I have coins. 390.
You have 390 coins?
Yeah, 390.
You don't have enough to get the creator thing. You have to have 500 coins.
I have 9. Wait. I have 890. 890.
Wait, how many coins do you have? What number does it say in the front?
So it says then A90.
You have enough. You have enough.
Wait, so I have to pay it? I have to get the coins inside the game?
So, no. If you have all those coins, then you can go to the mobile place, to the phone place, and then you can go
Wait, let me get my phone.
All right. And then go to the App Store, the place where you get all your games.
Then go get my phone. Wait.
So, and then go to the place where you get all your games and stuff. And then you want to press.
Wait, I'm not there.
You want to search up Yeep's companion app.
What the heck?
You want to search up Yeep's companion app. And then once you search that up.
Average Monkey's live. Oh, Average Monkey's live.
Well, go to the place where you get all your apps.
Wait,
and then
doesn't let me.
Then search up Yeep's companion app, and then once you get there, then you download it, and then you'll have to hook it up to your Oculus. So you type in your Oculus username, and then you flip in. So once you type in your Oculus username, you go and go to the phone, like by the achievements. You go to the phone, and then once you get there, you turn around. I mean, not turn around.
Okay, so I'm in. So what do I search up?
You search up Yeep's companion app.
Wait, so how you spell Yeep's companion?
Just type in YEEPS, and then search it up.
YEEPS?
S? Yes, just search that up, and then it should come up.
Okay, I found it. Should I uninstall it?
Yes, install it.
Okay, I got it.
All right. And then once you do that, you'll go to your little mobile
Wait, it's
phone.
installing.
All right. So hold on.
Wait, how much do I have battery? Okay, I have 30, so let me just take in my couch. Go to my couch. Please, I don't hit myself in the wall. Please. I don't hit myself. I kind of took that away. Can you place it back? Kind of took it away. Kind of took it away. Wait, let me check. Is it done? Okay, almost done. Almost done.
Alright.
Wait, it's like installing. Is installing.
I'm a tiny little cup of coffee.
Can you place the wall? I kind of took it away. You want to do a backflip? Want to do it like a backflip?
I already know how to do a backflip. Hush.
I can't see. Well, let me look the other way. I'm looking. What the fuck? Ah! There's spider. Okay, I'm inside. I'm inside
Alright.
the app.
Type in your
Wait,
Oculus username.
Okay. So my Oculus. Why do I see like four things? It says click on it. Hello?
Huh?
So what do I do? It says like, I see like something. I see like click. It says click, but like where do I see the 3 lines. I mean, I see the 4 things. What do I do?
Just leave, just leave.
Come here! Okay, I'm not ready to you.
Wait a minute,
Oh,
wait. No, wait.
We're not friends.
Code! It's code
We're not
VR!
friends.
Code VR!
Do you
Code
have a
VR!
pillow plant?
Code VR, please, friendly.
Friendly.
Yo, can I friend you? Can I friend you? Can I
Alright,
friend you?
let's go, let's
Do
go.
you have a pillow plant?
VRT,
So-
can I friend you?
Who is
I'm gonna
Cole
play
VR?
He's a
YouTuber.
He's a YouTuber.
Hey guys.
I'm subscribed to him.
Hi.
I was gonna comment in one of his
High five.
videos.
Here.
He's so cute.
Wait, are you serious?
Hey, do you have a pillow plant?
no, I'm
I'm
still
actually
here.
subscribed to you.
I'm still
Alright,
here.
sure.
What's my latest video?
I'm just trying to get into your
Why
I
are you
know,
not
I forgot.
friends?
I forgot some of his videos.
Thank you!
Sweet.
You have my dollar.
How much followers
I
does he
don't
have?
know how. Okay,
You
I
got
don't know
some
how to get
times
into
If
this
you
world.
help promise me to help with the sky base.
Andy, how much followers does he have? How much followers does he have? I haven't actually counted how much videos he has.
I promise, I'll even go up there.
Haven't actually counted.
Oh, okay. Well, come up and then I'll believe you.
Is there any way you can prove
Come up.
you're subscribed?
Oh.
Alright, everybody, y'all,
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
it's
this
fine.
is gonna be
Just give me a sec.
the end of the video. Hold on. Just get somewhere at the end of the video. End of the video.
I tried using the bomb. I can't comment on my.
I don't know how to do the outro or anything. So, now, it's just a lazy
Give me a
video
sec.
or whatever. So, goodbye guys. See you in the next video. I'll be here.
Okay, come on.
I will post tomorrow for the new Yeeps update.
Here.
Goodbye.
What's up, bro? Hey, we're doing a sky base. Do you have a pillow plant? Do you have a pillow plant?
No.
Sub to Pumpkins.